Hello guys, thank you so much for being here with me. What I have today among this on my arm, NEATCELL PICOSECOND LASER PEN, NEATCELL PICOSECOND PEN laser. And okay, what this box has inside? It looks like this, and in this video I'm going to let you know everything about this NEATCELL PICOSECOND pen laser and what it does, who can use it, how it works, the difference between the red NEATCELL and NEATCELL blue, and I will show you how to use it here with a mask and without a mask, and I will do a facial treatment too. And in a few weeks I will do a video for to remove a tattoo that my daughter has. She's 20 years old and she has a tattoo and she doesn't want it anymore, so I'm going to do this video too. Okay, what this box has. This manual is not very informative. It's in Chinese and a little bit in English, but it's not informative at all, especially with the blue NEATCELL. And this is the charger and adapter, sorry, this is. And it comes with black and blackout goggles for protection, but I'm going to use it with these protective glasses on my eyes because this is a laser and this is not a toy, and we must be very careful when we are going to use this one or the red one. So we have two versions. This is NEATCELL PICOSECOND pen laser blue, and it also has NEATCELL PICOSECOND pen laser red, and I will let you know the difference between this one and the red one. So I'm going to plug in and to try it here, and after that I will do a treatment on my face, and I will let you know for what we can use this and who can't use it, especially this, who can't use it, what we have to do before and after this treatment. So I'm going to plug this into the current and I'm back with you. Well, okay, here I have NEATCELL PICOSECOND pen laser blue, and I'm going to show you how to use it. We have two different buttons. This one is the intensity. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 intensities, different intensities. 1 is the lowest and 4 is the highest. And the frequency, 1 to 9. 9 is the lowest and 1 is the highest. So this is not a toy, guys. We must be very careful when we are going to use this one or the red one. And we need goggles or these glasses. And okay, what it does, it helps do this. I'm going to read it. And we can use it for sun damage, rejuvenation, dark spots, freckles, saggy skin or sagging skin, wrinkles, for glow, for stretch marks, for acne treatment, for scars, acne scars too. It's a tattoo removal, so I'm going to use it with my daughter. She's 20 and she has a tattoo. She doesn't want it anymore, so I'm going to remove her tattoo. It can be used for mole removal, But for a tattoo removal and mole removal, numbing cream is the key to not feel pain at all. For a facial treatment, for rejuvenation, for sagging skin, and for wrinkles and lines and for pores, I don't use numbing cream, but I'm going to show you how it works in the different intensity and levels. Okay, I have it in level number 1. I'm going to use this in level number 2 to show you, and frequency number 4. And after that, I'm going to show you different levels and intensity. Okay, frequency number 4, level number 2, and watch this. We never stay in a place. We don't touch our skin. We move it all the time, back and forward, all the time in movement. We don't stay in a place. And I'm going to change this for a different frequency, and you will see how it works. Okay, frequency number 1 and intensity number 2. Look at this. This is too much. This can burn our skin. So I know people who work with this in intensity number 2 and level number 1 for a facial treatment, but I think this is too much. So I'm going to change for level number 9, frequency number 9, to show you how it works. Intensity number 2 and level number 9, and look at this. I don't feel pain at all. Well, I'm going to turn it off and let you know everything. Give me a second. Well, who can't use this NEATCELL Picosecond Pen Laser Blue or NEATCELL Picosecond Pen Laser Red? Who can't use it? Of course, pregnancy, diabetic, if you have epilepsy, if you are taking any medication, ask to your doctor please before to use it, especially if you are taking blood thinner like aspirins. You can use it. You can use it if you are taking blood thinner or aspirins. Please ask to your doctor. I take a pill for my hypothyroidism and I can use it, and my brother take a pill for cholesterol and he can use it with his medication, but please ask to your doctor for the medication that you are taking, because we don't know if you can or can't use it. What we do after the treatment? We need to use a moisturizer cream, a gel to calm our skin after the treatment, especially if we remove a tattoo or stretch mark or scars. I have scars here, 2 scars here that I want to remove, and I use it with numbing. I will use it with numbing cream, and after that with an antibiotic cream and calm serum, calm gel. What I do is I use the gel that I use with another devices. I put it on the fridge for 3 or 4 hours, and after that I use on my face or my body to calm down the swollen or the pain if I have it. But numbing cream is the key for don't have any pain. So if you're going to remove a tattoo or a scar or a stretch mark, you need numbing cream. And what else? Oh, about intensity. Again, number one is intensity. Number one is the lowest. Intensity number 4 is the highest. And about the levels, level number 1 is the highest and level number 9 is the lowest. So when I'm going to work on my face, I'm not going to use levels in frequency number 2 or number 3 or intensity number 3 or number 4. And I'm going to show you everything. But we need to know something, that this is not a toy and the red one is not a toy. I prefer to use this more than one session. This is not a laser like professional laser that we can see when we go to a clinic. And the progress is not that fast compared with a professional laser machine. So it works, it really works, and I like it. I really like it. It helps to dark spots, it helps to saggy skin, and so much, it helps so much for that, especially our double chin, we can use it there. And it's not a laser like professional laser, so we need more than one session. And we can stay in a place, in an area for 3 to 5 seconds, and after that move it. We don't stay in a place like this, and we don't touch the skin. We must be 1 to 2 centimeters for the skin, not closer than that, and always in movement, back and forward, all the time in movement. And you will see when I do my facial treatment. And don't overdo it. This is very important. Do not overdo it. I prefer to do more than one session, but don't overdo it. Don't use it for a long period of time. And I'm going to show you how I use it on my face. And I prefer more than one session, but don't overdo it. You can burn your skin, you can damage your skin, and we don't want that. So I prefer to do one session every 30 days, once a month, and do more than one session, but I don't overdo it. And I don't stay long with this blue NEATCELL PICOSECOND laser pen or the red one. I don't stay long. Do not overdo it. And remember, please, intensity number 1 is the lowest, and intensity number 4 is the highest. Level frequency number 1 is the highest, and frequency number 9 is the lowest. So I'm going to use it on my face to a facial treatment for rejuvenation, and I want to show you my before and after. And well, okay, this is all that I have to say in this informative video, and after that you will have facial treatment, body treatment, and I will do it on my stretch marks and on my scars and on my daughter tattoo, and of course a facial every month. So thank you so much for being here with me, guys. I really love you, and I really appreciate the time that you take to be here with me. I really love you guys. Thank you so much.